I'm a professional magician, and today we're going to go over some basic magic tricks. I just wanted to go over some things that you should and shouldn't do when you have a deck of cards. Preferably, you always want to use a borrowed deck for everything that you do. If you don't use a borrowed deck, you're going to lose so much of the effect because they're just going to say he's using trick cards or something like that. You're going to lose a lot of the impact. Another thing, when you do have a deck of cards, you don't want to say this is an ordinary deck of cards. All 52 cards are different, because you're drawing attention to the obvious and it makes it actually look suspicious. And they start to question what you're doing from the beginning before you even get into doing the trick. And you want to stick to the most traditional cards, like bicycle cards. Everybody in the world has seen this back design. They can recognize it. It's normal to them. One of the big trends in the magic scene are regular normal cards, but they have different back designs and different fronts. They look cool and urban and gritty for street magic, but they also make it look like you're using trick deck of cards even when you're not. So I would stay away from the flashy, cool design decks because it just takes away from the effect, and you really look goofy when you're performing with a special deck of cards, even when they're not.